Hi, this is Michelle Cromer. This is your Feng Shui tip and question of the week. Please tell me it is possible to have good Feng Shui in the basement. I never liked our basement, and now I understand that if the basement has bad Feng Shui, then the whole house kind of has bad Feng Shui. Please give me some easy tips for good Feng Shui in a neglected basement. Thanks for the question. Let's talk about the basement if you're lucky enough to have one. You're sitting in mine. My house is 111 years old. Old homes have basements. This is the foundation. Don't neglect it. Do whatever you have to do to go downstairs in the basement and fix it, clean it, declutter it, love it, because it represents the entire house and your entire life. In my basement, you can see I have big furniture, strong and sturdy, representing the strength in my family. I have family pictures of my boys growing up and my siblings and my good friends, representing all the love that surrounds me from my family and friends. I have a piano I play every day, bringing the music and the creativity and the laughter to my life in this basement. I come down here all the time. So my suggestion is that you do the same thing and don't neglect our basement. Our first floor we really concentrate on in Feng Shui. Our second story is considered an added blessing, but this is the foundation. Thanks for the question. Please ask me questions at michelle@michellekromer.com or follow me on Facebook, Michelle Cromer Feng Shui. Thanks, y'all.